Hello everyone. I hope you all are good and you all are practicing problems. Let us for now look at this question. Two small identical metal balls, so conducting balls we are talking about, of radius are at a distance a from each other. So there are two metallic balls of radius r and they are at a distance of a from each other. Okay, and they are charged basically. Let's say it has a charge of q1 and it has a charge of q2. I'm calling it metallic ball 1 and I'm calling this metallic ball 2. Okay, and here there is one relation given: a is far greater than that of r. One has a potential v1 and other has a potential v2. The charges on the balls are done hai? So let's say this has a potential of v1 and this has a potential of v2. So we have to talk about q1 and q2. क्या होगा, कैसे निकालोगे? तो आप ध्यान से देखो, सबसे पहले तो यहाँ पे a फार ग्रेटर देन r दिख रहा है। इसका कभी भी ये मतलब नहीं है कि a तुम्हारा बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा है। a r के रिस्पेक्ट में बहुत बड़ा है, ठीक है? सो वी वोंट ट्रीट इट लाइक कि q1 के पास जो भी पोटेंशियल होगा that won't get affected because of charge on this metal sphere, क्योंकि a फार ग्रेटर देन r है। नहीं, ए फार ग्रेटर देन आर है। इसका सिंपल मीनिंग ये है कि इन दोनों के बीच का सेपरेशन ए है, तो इनके सेंटर्स के बीच का भी सेपरेशन ए ही होगा। टू गुड अप्रोक्सीमेशन, क्योंकि रियल सेपरेशन क्या होगा, ए प्लस टू आर, राइट? दिस इज आर एंड दिस वॉज ए, सो ए प्लस टू आर। सिंस ए इज फार ग्रेटर देन आर, टू आर को हम नेग्लेक्ट कर सकते हैं, वी कैन कॉल इट ए। सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कैन डू विद दिस अप्रोक्सीमेशन। इसका कभी भी ये मतलब नहीं होगा कि वन इज आउटसाइड द इन्वायरमेंट ऑफ अदर, ये एक दूसरे से इतनी दूर है कि वन इज आउटसाइड द इन्वायरमेंट ऑफ अदर। नो, इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट। ए विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू आर इज फार ग्रेटर, ठीक है? ये चीज आपको दिमाग में रखना है। नाउ इट इज जस्ट बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैट। सो देखो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट स्फीयर की बात करो, इसके सेंटर पे चलो पोटेंशियल निकालते हैं। So it has a charge of q1. What will be potential at its center because of charge q1? K q1 by r, right? Done hai? Because we know that if you are talking about metals, if we are talking about conductor, then potential at a point on its surface will be equal to potential at any point inside, right? So surface पे potential q1 charge की वजह से क्या होगा, k q1 by r, and this will be same as potential at the center. Okay, so this is this. अब देखो यहाँ पे एक और बॉल है जिसके पास चार्ज q2 है, और इस Q2 के लिए लेट्स से आई एम कॉलिंग इट O पॉइंट, एंड ये O पॉइंट इस स्फीयर के लिए आउटसाइड पॉइंट है, विच इज एट अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ हाउ मच A. So at a distance A from second sphere, what will be the potential because of charge Q2? So that will be K Q2 by A, and this will be the total sum of potential at point O. This will be the potential at point O. And we know that if we talk about conductor, whatever is the potential at any point inside conductor is equal to potential at the surface. And here it is given as V1. So this is equal to V1. Similarly, do the calculation for this O dash point. So O dash point pe potential will be what? Because of charge on its surface. So this will be K Q2 by R. And what will be potential at O dash because of charge Q1? So this will be K Q1 by A. Right, this is simple formula. So k q1 by a, and this is equal to v2. So v1 and v2 we have got, right? Now let us solve it in order to reach to the answer. So कैसे solve करोगे? आप ध्यान से देखो, इसको सबसे पहले मैं इस इक्वेशन पे जाती हूँ, q1 by r, एंड k क्या होता है तुम्हारा 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट, एंड 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट उसको आप कॉमन ले लो। सो q1 by r प्लस Q2 by A इज इक्वल टू V1 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट, ठीक है? यहाँ पे एक काम करो, ए आर से मल्टीप्लाई करो, ए आर से मल्टीप्लाई करो, ए आर, ऑल साइड्स आई हैव डन इट, ठीक है? सो दिस विल बिकम हाउ मच, ए Q1 प्लस this will become R Q2, and this is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught. This was V1, right? V1 into AR. This is the thing. AQ1 plus RQ2. So this is equation 1 we are getting. Let's say. Similar thing we can do with this equation also. Q2 by R को plus Q1 by A को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 4 pi epsilon naught V2. Again do the thing. AR से multiply कर लो हर side में. So you will be getting what? You will be getting AQ2 plus RQ1, right? So this is RQ1 is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught V2AR. ठीक है, चलो इस चीज को मैं यहाँ पे लिखती हूँ. So this is RQ1 plus AQ2 is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught V2 AR. This is equation 2. Now we have to calculate Q1 and Q2. Do one thing. इन दोनों equation के साथ कुछ करते हैं. So if we somehow we are able to cancel Q1, I mean Q2, let's say Q2 वाला expression, we can get Q1. लेकिन यहाँ पे इसका R coefficient है, यहाँ पर A है. तो आप एक काम करो, इसको फिर से multiply कर लो किस चीज से? Let's say let us multiply it with A and let us multiply this with R. So if you do this, it will become how much? ARQ1, ARQ1 plus this will be how much? I mean A square Q1, sorry. We have to be careful. ठीक है? सही से लिखो A square Q1 plus ARQ2 is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught. That was V1 AR, that was right. So A square R, क्योंकि हमने A से multiply किया है ना? So A square R होगा. Now this will become how much? R square Q1. So this is your R square Q1 plus AR Q2 is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught V2, and this will become AR ka square. Now let us subtract these two. So if you subtract these two, A square minus R square Q1, and this will get cancelled, equal to 4 pi epsilon naught AR को common ले लो. So this will become V1A minus V2R. So we are getting this one. Now if you solve for Q1, this will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught AR divided by A square minus R square. इसको आप क्या approximate कर सकते हो? देखो यहाँ पे we have already we are given in the question that A is what? This is far greater than R. So R square तो और भी छोटा term हो गया in comparison with A square. So R square we can neglect and this we can simply write as A square. ठीक है? So यहाँ मैं लिखने वाली हूँ A square V1A minus V2R. So this will be equal to 4 pi epsilon naught. This is your R by A, V1A minus V2R. So this is the answer for Q1. And that is definitely not matching with any option given in your question. I searched with other sources also. I mean, there is no correct option given in the question. So simply we have to keep this concept in mind that this way we can solve it and we can get the correct answer as this one. Okay. Similarly, you can put the value of Q1 and later on you can get the value of Q2. So this question is not difficult, just you need to remember one concept or keep in mind one concept of electrostatics, that is potential inside conductor is equal to potential that at the surface. Okay. So that thing we can exploit here in order to reach to the answer. I hope it is clear, but if you have any doubt anywhere, you can always let me know in the comment section. Or if you have anything to suggest about the options, I'm very much open to the discussion. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.